Hello, hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss some MCQ from cell biology section. It will be very useful for student taking preparation of NEET, CU, ET, QET, UG and CBSE board exam. So let's begin the answering of this MCQ. So the first question is, a common characteristic feature of plant seed tube seed cells, and most mammalian erythrocytes is absence of mitochondria, B. presence of cell wall, and presence of hemoglobin, and option D. the absence of nucleus. So again I read the question. A common characteristic features of plant seed tube cells and most of the mammalian erythrocytes is. Here the correct answer is absence of nucleus. Both mature RBC, mammalian RBC or erythrocytes, as well as plant seed tube cells don't have any nucleus. So the correct answer is absence of nucleus, option D. Next question. First read the question. Question number 2. Then I will answer this question. Okay, now question number 2. Question number 2 is here. Hello. 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 হ্যাঁ শোনা যাচ্ছে? Hello. Hello. So the next question is, question number 2. Select one which is not true for ribosome. So option A, it is made up of 2 sub unit. Eta true. B, form polysome. C, option C, may attach to mRNA, and D, have no role in protein synthesis. So the option D is the correct answer, because ribosome have the role. Ribosome have the role in protein synthesis. So the correct answer is option D. Next question. Which one of these is not a eukaryote? So euglena is a eukaryotic. Anabina is a blue-green algae. So blue-green algae So the blue green algae. So this one is the correct answer. Next question. Spirogyra also eukaryotic cells, and D হচ্ছে agaricus. It is also eukaryotic cells. The fourth question, question number 4. Which of the following stain is not used for staining chromosome? 4 options are given. A. Basic fuchsin, B. Safranin, methylene blue, and carmine. So here the correct answer is safranin. Safranin is the correct answer. Next, different cells have different size. Arrange the following cells in an ascending order of their size. Choose the correct option among the following. So the correct answer is question A. Option A. Question number 6. Which of the following feature is common to prokaryotic and many eukaryotes? So here option are given. Option A, chromatin material present, cell wall present, or nuclear membrane present, and D, membrane bound subcellular organelles present. So the correct answer is here. Here the cell wall, option B. Option B. The correct answer is cell wall present. Next question. Who proposed the fluid mosaic model of the cell membrane? So the correct answer is C. Next question. Question number 8. Which of the following statement is true for secretory cells? Option A, Golgi apparatus is absent. Option B, rough endoplasmic reticulum is easily observed in the cell. Only smooth endoplasmic reticulum is present. The secretory granules are formed in nucleus. So the correct answer is rough endoplasmic reticulum is easily observed in the cell. Next question. What is the tonoplast? The inner outer membrane of mitochondria. This is not correct. Inner membrane of chloroplast. This is also not correct. Membrane boundary of the vacuole of the plant cell. The tonoplast is the membrane boundary of vacuole of the plant cells. The correct answer is just 10. Question number 10. Which of the following is not true of a eukaryotic cells? So cell wall is made up of peptidoglands. So option B, it has 8S type of ribosome present in the cytoplasm. Mitochondria contain circular DNA. Membrane bound organelles are present. So the correct answer is option A. Cell wall is made up of peptidoglands is not correct for eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cell wall is mainly made up of cellulose. So that is the correct answer. Which of the following statement is not true for plasma membrane? So option A, it is present in both plant and animal cells. Lipid is present as bilayer in it. Protein are present integrated as well as locally loosely associated with a lipid bilayer, carbohydrate never found. So option D is the correct answer. It is carbohydrate is present in the plasma membrane. So this option is not true for the plasma membrane. That's why it is the correct option of this answer. Correct answer of this question. So plasma question number 12. Plastid differs from mitochondria on the basis of one of the following features. Mark the right answer. Option A, presence of two layers of membrane, presence of ribosome, presence of thylakoids, and presence of DNA. So the correct answer is option C, the presence of thylakoid. Here is the correct answer is next question. Which of the following is not function of a cytoskeleton in a cells? So intracellular transport, B, maintenance of the cell. So the next question, the stain used to visualize the mitochondria is. So the first green, option B safranin, option C acetocarmine, option D Janus green. So the correct answer is Janus green. So the next question number 1, spindle fiber attach on telomere of chromosome, option B kinetochore of chromosome, option C centromere of the chromosome, or D kinetosome of chromosome. So the correct answer is option B, the kinetochore of chromosome. Next question, the mitochondria and chloroplast are. So which one of the following option? So which one? So which one of the following option is correct? So the option C is the correct answer. So A is true. A is true for both mitochondria and chloroplast, but B is not correct. So the option C is the correct. The next question, select the correct matching in the following part. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is not correct. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, oxidation of fatty acid, it's also not correct. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum, oxidation of phospholipid, it is not correct. So smooth synthesis of lipid. So smooth endoplasmic reticulum is always associated with synthesis of protein, steroid hormones. So next question, Balbiani rings are site of. So nucleotide synthesis, polysaccharide synthesis, option C RNA and protein synthesis, option D lipid synthesis. So the correct answer is option C, the RNA and protein synthesis. Which of the following is not membrane bound? So ribosome is not membrane bound. Lysosome is a single membrane organelles. Vacuole also membrane. Tonoplast vacuole and vacuoles also have membrane, and mesosome is also a membrane. So the question number 5, A. A is the ribosome is the correct answer. The solid linear cytoskeleton element having a diameter of 6 nanometer and made up of single type of monomer are known as. Option C is the correct answer. The microfilament. Next question. Centriole. So A is matched with 4 basal body of cilia and chlorophyll is matched with a thylakoid. Christy is matched with infolding in the mitochondria, and ribosome is